Introducing how to use eMOBIQ AI. First, enter a name and describe your idea for the app in natural language. Set a budget limit and select your preferred app icon, or upload your own logo file. You can choose from 3 types of back-end services. Standalone is built up with local data storage without connect to anything else. eMOBIQ is built up by utilizing eMOBIQ database and services. External API is built up integrates with other software using REST API. Enable Autopilot lets the AI develop the entire app automatically. Manual review requires user approval at each stage before the AI progresses. For more information on the differences, feel free to watch the introductory video in our official website. Begin building the app and wait for the results. You can track and review the progress details, along with all the documentation, at any time. Once the process is complete, view the results. Refine the project by adjusting the ideas and setting a budget limit to align with your goals. Review the progress and results to ensure they meet your expectations and goals. Let AI fine-tune your UI design to make it more intuitive and visually appealing. Look over the changes and assess how things are going. eMOBIQ AI, next-gen AI app development platform.